Hey everyone, get ready to be blown away by 5 incredible React portfolios that not only showcase creativity but also come with their source code. Hey Lama devs, dive into the world of React and Framer Motion as Lama Dev crafts a stunning portfolio. Don't miss the chance to explore his channel for more mind-blowing content. 2. Read JavaScript Masteries. For all the beginners out there, JavaScript Mastery has crafted a React portfolio tutorial that's both educational and visually appealing. It's the perfect starting point for your coding journey. 3. Code Complete. Behold the marvel that is Code Complete's project. With a perfect blend of source code and Figma, this portfolio is not just amazing, it's a work of art. 4. DevelopedByEd. Witness the magic of React and Tailwind as DevelopedByEd brings a sleek and modern portfolio to life. It's not just a project, it's a symphony of coding elegance. 5. JavaScript Mastery's 3D Wonderland. Take your skills to another dimension with JavaScript Mastery's React.js and Three.js tutorial. Whether you're a beginner or looking to delve into 3D libraries, this tutorial is your gateway to the extraordinary. These portfolios aren't just projects. They're gateways to mastering React and unleashing your creativity. Don't miss out. Check them out now and level up your coding game.